I have been involved in the GAA and Camogie since 1972, playing and coaching, and then obviously an administrative role too within the club, and then I progressed to the county. Last December, I became the chairperson of Down GAA. This was a big honour for myself, my family, and obviously the club here, because this is where my journey all started. GAA is so important within a community. It provides the opportunity for all abilities to play our games and to be involved in the cultural activities, and also there's a social aspect too. People can come down and they can socialise, they can exercise, they can meet up, and it just enriches the lives of the community. I have so many fond memories of the GAA. I played along with my mum. She, along with her friend Winnie, revived the Camogie in 1972. So at 11, I was on the panel along with Mummy. I was 72, was 11 there, and there's Mummy, after having her 7th baby. Yeah, after having her 7th. I played with my daughter too. She continued to play on, so she now playing Camogie in Singapore. It was just great to having your children with you. I coached them too, the way my mummy coached me. So it's just a whole family thing that we've always enjoyed. Here is my 1991 jersey. Look, 1991 jersey. Winning my 1991 All-Ireland Junior in Croke Park. Getting to play at the Croke Park was a great opportunity. And also winning Ulster Senior Camogie Championships with the club here. 1996, I captained the team, so that was a great achievement for myself and my family. My motivation for dedicating my time to the club probably stems from all the opportunities that I was provided with while playing and coaching. I just wanted to put something back into the club to make a difference, you know, and help the county to progress, because so much was done for me. I wouldn't be where I am today because of the club, because of my county, because of my fellow officers. They all have helped me and supported me, and obviously my family, to be where I am today. So many people have helped me along this journey. I know my family and club are very proud of me, but this honour's for them. This honour's for them, because without them, I wouldn't be where I am today.
Oh, Chaman Fantanois, Leat i Gradam and Gradam Camógaíochta Buirte ag Maureen O'Higgins.